A portrait is about closeness and truth. My job is not to be disrespectful, but to be authentic and ask, who are you really? In this video, you're going to learn exactly what you need to be a great portrait photographer. No gimmicks, no tricks, just simple truth. Hey guys, my name's Cory at Cory Photo on Instagram and Twitter. Today I'm going to teach you how to take a better portrait.
Humanity is just an extraordinary thing. It's a very powerful thing to tap into, and it makes no difference who the person is. It's always a special place that you have to try and find.
That was Platon, one of the greatest living portrait photographers of our generation, and I was lucky enough for him to be my mentor. One of the first things he taught me was that cameras and lighting have to be known so well that they no longer become a distraction. When shooting, you have to make sure nothing goes wrong. And once you are that focused on the technicalities, you can let go of them and focus 100% on the creative and the observation of that person. It's not just something you do one time, because once you understand the technicalities and shoot often, there's a magical barrier that you cross, which allows you to find that authentic place between two human beings. Most photographers are thinking about the distractions of the technical side. They end up having just 10% of that energy left to try and connect with that person. And what they don't realize is that if you can't observe and connect and earn trust from your sitter, then you're just doing a technical exercise at best. Portraits are all about humanity, and it's what most photographers skip over because they've run out of energy by the time they get there. And they haven't invested enough of their life to make sure all the distractions of the technical side have been dealt with and mastered. And it really is mastering and studying really hard and pushing your talent and striving for excellence every second. Connecting with the subject. Once you're in it and the technical side is mastered, it becomes instinctive, intuitive observation. At that point, it's your emotions mixing with the subject's emotions. And how can you prepare for that? You can't. Because there's a million different emotions. And when you're photographing someone, it's magnified. Because they're anxious and they're nervous and they don't know you yet and they don't trust you yet. And then you have the pressure of the job and delivering. So you both have high stakes. But as a photographer, you have to work so hard past that to find that magical moment where you're getting each other. There's a great analogy from Platon about the first time you meet your sitter or your subject and how you have to instantly connect.
When you meet someone that you really think you fall in love with, and all you want to do is connect with them, like having that great conversation is just like the thrill of a lifetime. That's what photography kind of is. And if the conversation goes wrong and you say something that they don't like, or you cracked a joke that they didn't laugh at because you weren't in tune with their mood that day, that's what we do. First impressions last forever. So that's what photography is every time you pick up the camera. And if you get it right, then you come up with a magical moment that you've recorded on film. If you get it wrong, you missed it. Forever, it's gone. And I'm haunted by that all the time.
Simplicity. The easiest way to start taking great portraits is to keep it simple. All you need is soft light. So a window or open shade is a great start. Some fill is nice, but not needed. Keep the light frontal. You can see here that being backlit isn't the most flattering, and the best light in any direction is straight on. Don't get tricky or try crazy things. Just think of the person's soul. That's a good first base. Thanks guys, my name's Cory at Cory Photo on Twitter and Instagram. Make sure you hit subscribe and stay tuned for my next videos.